In preparation for the upcoming distance drives, which will take me many thousands of kilometers, I put the vehicle for synthetic fuel testing, the prototype, in the shop here.
You know where it is.
Thank you, Miss Ruth. Thank you for tolerating me. You're so kind. And here I am inside the shop here, where the test vehicle is being worked on at this very moment. I just wanted you to see it so you knew it's legitimately real. Legitimately real. It's actually happening. Standard power plant, which will be using the synthetic fuel generator that I have back at the lab. This is the vehicle here. You guys seen it. There's the plates, so you know I'm not deceiving you in any way. And I'm doing this because I want to be thorough. I want you to know, this thing is real. I've got people working on it. I will be doing my work after they're fixing the oxygen sensor, which we believe is slightly defective. But understand me, I picked this vehicle because of its negatives. It's heavy, it's sporty, it was never a champion of fuel economy, and it's going to be when I get done with it. Emissions are down 30%, almost 50%. At times I've gotten it on the bench, I've gotten it up to 50% increase in range and double horsepower at certain RPMs. Here it is, being worked on. I will adapt it, get on the road, and you will be able to meet me in specific cities and see that it's the same plant. Same plant, okay? Quick peeky. All right.